Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, students, last week we had an assignment, about chapter number, not about a particular chapter, but it was assignment number one was there that I gave you. It was basically about Microsoft Excel. It was an Excel assignment. Okay, Excel assignment was there that I had given to you, and most of the students were there who did that assignment and submitted to me, and I have checked almost all the assignments. A few are left which will be returned to you, otherwise most of the assignments are already checked. Acha ji, now what you have to do today, it is Wednesday, so again we are going to have an other assignment that you are going to have today. So those students who were unable to write the answers for the unable to submit the solution for the assignment in the last assignment, and you know very well okay, whenever we will have the assignment we will have a due date, so you need to be very much careful about the due date. Okay, before going towards the today's lesson, the today's lesson, you know very well okay, it is about the chapter that we have started about the internet. So before going towards today's lesson, what I am going to do, I am going to explain you the assignment first. Okay? All these students will keep their cameras closed. Cameras should be closed. Okay. Keep your cameras closed. Acha ji. Right now, I think don't need to raise the hand. If someone's assignment is still not checked, so it will be checked today. Today I'm going to conclude it. Let us consider the today's assignment. I am going to explain you right now. What is basically today's assignment? Just pay attention on it, and then if you have got any question, then you can ask. Just lower the hands. Okay. So today we are going to have assignment number 2. Assignment number 2 is differentiate printers and plotters in your own words. It is basically from chapter number 1. Remember the chapter number 1. We had done the chapter number 1 when we had operational schools, and we discussed chapter number 1. Remember in our class, we discussed about mini computers, microcomputers, mainframe, hardware, software, input output devices, where we also discussed about the printers, plotters. What is the difference between a printer and plotter? This is the question that I have asked. And write 3 examples, only names. Okay? 3 examples of only names of the uh, system software that you have to write. So there are 2 questions, 2 short questions are there. Now, how you are going to give the answer? You will write answer on paper and submit pictures of the paper in your Google Classroom. Google Classroom में ही picture submit करेंगे. Take care of the. अब कैसे करेंगे? This is a question I am going to explain you. Take care of the due date. अब पिछली बार भी some students were saying that we are not able to attempt. Some students were saying that they were not able to attend. So it is basically your responsibility. You should know what is the due date. Okay, you must know the due date. If you don't know the due date, so how you will be able to get the marks when the due date is over, and then you are asking can I submit it? So definitely you can't submit it afterwards. So how it would be possible? okay, the marks will be given to you. So this is very important thing. So over here, just like I have given the due date over here, which is 6 September. Okay, 3 days I am giving it. This is not a task of more than 5 minutes to write the answers on paper. Acha, when I will give you this assignment, okay, this is the assignment that I am giving you today. So it will be received in your Google Classroom. How you are going to attempt? अब कैसे attempt करोगे आप? You will write on the paper, ठीक है? Paper पे अपना नाम लिखें, write your name on the paper, write. This time I am giving you written assignment. This time I am giving you written assignment. All these students who are not joined, who have not joined with their names and classes, they should leave and rejoin again quickly. Those who have not joined with their name and classes, they should leave and rejoin quickly. I am unable to identify in this way the students. Leave the classroom, rejoin if you have not mentioned your proper name and class. Keep in mind, whenever you join in such way, your attendance will not be marked. Okay? Those who have not mentioned their classes, they should leave and rejoin again by mentioning their classes at the end of their names. Acha ji. So what I was saying, कि when you have written the work in your on paper, what you will do, you will take the picture using cell phone. मोबाइल से picture ले ले आप, ठीक है? अब दो तरीके हो सकते हैं कि if you are submitting the pictures using cell phone or you are submitting the picture using laptop. अगर laptop से submit कर रहे हैं तो then you will have to transfer those pictures in your laptop. ठीक है? You will have to transfer those pictures in your laptop, then you will be able to submit. अच्छा, otherwise if you have installed Google Classroom in your cell phone में अगर Google Classroom installed है, then you can even submit it from there, because cell phone से ही आपने picture ली और वहीं से ही अगर आप submit कर रहे हो. But keep in mind कि when you join Google Classroom, you should join with your actual name. If you are not joining with your actual name, your marks will not be awarded. I will not be able to identify कि which student is this, who is that particular student. ठीक है? अच्छा, now just see the procedure. See the procedure. Those students who have not joined the classes with their names, they should rename their names and then join the class Google Classroom with their names, because it is very difficult for me. I am unable to identify the students and you are going to lose the marks. Achha, let me now show you the procedure how you will submit the pictures. Keep your cameras closed kindly. Keep the cameras closed. ठीक है? I have written the work on the paper. मैंने पेपर पे काम किया, मैंने लिख लिया, ठीक है? I have written my work on the paper. I have taken the pictures, and the pictures are now there. Let's suppose on my desktop or in my documents, ठीक है? In my documents, if the pictures are there, so of those pictures which are there in my documents, so how will I upload? ठीक है? What is the procedure? How will I upload that picture? You should write it on a page. Your answer should be there on a page. Let me show you one example. Let's suppose okay, just giving you an example. कैसे submit करोगे आप? When you will go to, अच्छा अब आपने क्या किया? You have taken the picture. This is the picture. You have taken the picture your cell phone and you have transferred it to your laptop or your PC. So this is basically a dummy example. No? It is just a dummy example. Written work is there about the maths, but you will write your answer. Achha, this is the image that I have to submit. What I will do? First, I will go to the Google Classroom. I will go to the Google Classroom. After logging my Google Classroom, when I will reach This is my name where I have joined as a student. Okay, I will go to the Google Classroom. Please see the procedure. So don't ask me again and again. Don't say that I have sent you on the WhatsApp. Kindly. I am not going to check it in the WhatsApp. Keep in mind. I am going to check it in the Google Classroom. Keep in mind. Acha ji. Now I join the Google Classroom. Let's suppose this is my class P1A. I will see that one assignment is due on me. This is computer science assignment 2, assignment number 2. I will go on it. I will see that one assignment is given to me by my teacher. I am a student. Over here, I have joined as a student. The assignment is that differentiate printers and plotters, write examples of the system software. Now I have written the assignment on paper and the paper is there on my computer desktop. Now when I will go there, I will see this option. Now see this option is there. Add or create, add or create. तो यहाँ पे हम फाइल अटैच कर सकते हैं. This is the file attachment option. This is the file attachment option. I will go there and I will find out by upload में जाएंगे, browse the system. My assignment is there on desktop पर है मेरी assignment. Which assignment is there? It was there with the name of image1. This is my assignment. ठीक है. ठीक है, let's suppose this is my assignment. So I will click on it, double click on it. So it will be why some people are joining late, and I have explained the procedure. Now some people are joining. So how it will be possible for them to understand this thing? अच्छा जी. So what I will do, I will go to the, what did I do? मैं किस पे गया? फाइल पे गया, ऐड यहाँ पे फाइल पे गया और यहाँ जाके मैंने अपना असाइनमेंट, I selected my assignment image and then assignment is uploaded. ये मैंने अपलोड कर दिया. ठीक है, ये असाइनमेंट आ रहे हैं. When I will click on the turn in का मतलब क्या है? Turn in means के assignment will be submitted. Turn in पे क्लिक करूंगा, असाइनमेंट submit हो जाएगा and then the teacher will be able to see the assignment. This thing is now clear, the procedure, how you are going to give the assignment. No one will going to give me on WhatsApp. No one will ask me on WhatsApp, I have done my assignment, please check me, tell me. No, I don't have that time. A number of students are there. When I will check, you will receive it in your Google Classroom. There is a procedure, na? 3 days are there. You submit assignment today and you ask me, sir, have you checked? This is not the way. Okay, you have submitted your assignment right now and you are asking me, giving me message, okay, sir, I have submitted, kindly check. I know you have submitted. When the due date will be over, I will check and I will return it. Now I will take only 4 questions. Salaf Ibrahim, Hiba Imran, Rimsha Zia and Danial. Salaf Ibrahim.
Sir, I've sent you a message on WhatsApp because I didn't want to disturb you starting the meeting and you didn't answer me.
For what you send me the question answer? What is your question, Salaf Ibrahim?
Miss your hands.
This thing I have already explained. Okay, a number of messages are there. I can't reply for each message. If you have got any question, ask in the Google Classroom, in your online class. Okay, when we are taking the class, then raise the hand, ask the question. Yes, Hiba Imran.
Sir, can you please tell me how to delete our name from Google Classroom, because I have joined with 2 accounts, so I just wanted to delete my name from my father account. Can you please tell me?
Just leave that account, submit your assignment with your new account that you have joined. Okay, leave that name. Okay.
Sir, how I didn't know, can you how to delete our name from Google Classroom?
then you will have to leave that Google Classroom. Delete नहीं करेंगे आप, leave कर देंगे ना उसको.
Sir, how?
हाँ, that I will show you. अभी मैं यहाँ से left करूँगा तो then I will be left from my classroom. ठीक है. So
Oh,
यहाँ पर मैं अगर left करके दिखाऊंगा आपको, so I will be left from this classroom. So that's why right now I am not leaving. But you just leave that account now. You should use your new account that you have logged on. Use that account. I will give you marks on that account where your name is shown. I will give you marks.
but when I done from that account, there is missing for my father name because I done with my account, so there are two accounts now, so that's why.
Okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. You submit your assignment. Okay, with your account, and it doesn't matter about it.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. अच्छा जी. Yes, Daniel. Quickly, please.
Sir, Assalamu alaikum. I wanted to say that, sir, you have posted that assignment on Google Classroom. In my mobile, it is not showing that you have posted any assignment.
अभी मैंने सब में पोस्ट नहीं किया. अभी मैंने सिर्फ P1 में पोस्ट किया, A में पोस्ट किया है. अभी मैं पोस्ट कर दूंगा. It will be posted. ठीक है.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
ईमान जफर.
Sir, I don't have Publisher on my laptop, but when I go to Google download it, it says that we have to pay to download it.
What is your question? You don't have the publisher in your laptop.
Yes.
So how will you submit the project? The project was there in the publisher, na?
Yes. Then is there another way?
No. Project you have to do in your publisher. Of course, publisher के बगैर तो project बनेगा ही नहीं ना. Project बनाना ही publisher में. You have to do in your publisher. Okay. Install the publisher.
Okay.
Ayat Zubair.
Sir, I want to ask that on any phone or tab, you can shift a file to Google Drive. So can you show me how we can shift a file to Google Drive?
From the cell phone?
No, sir, from the laptop.
No, in Google Drive नहीं. Drive में तो shift नहीं करना है. Laptop में तो आप direct Google Classroom में कर दो ना. ये मैं दिखा देता हूँ आपको. मैं समझ गया आपका what is your question. You are making your file in Google Drive. This is the question, na?
Yes, sir.
So how will you submit it? You will submit it in this way. You will go there. जैसे मैं यहाँ पर गया, तो मैंने अभी देखो टर्न इन नहीं किया ना अभी मैंने, तो मैं इसको डिलीट कर रहा हूँ अपनी असाइनमेंट को. मैं दोबारा जाता हूँ. When I will go to upload file, ये जो upload file है ना, यहाँ पे मैं फाइल सिस्टम से ब्राउज किया था. ये Google Drive भी आ रहा है ना. If your file is there in the Google Drive, go there and find it from there. किस फोल्डर में है Google Drive में? Getting?
Okay, sir.
तो गूगल ड्राइव में अगर आपने बनाया है सेल फोन से पिक्चर, वो मैं बात आपकी समझ गया हूँ. यू हैव टेकन द पिक्चर फ्रॉम द सेल फोन एंड यू हैव अपलोडेड इन द ड्राइव. नाउ यू वांट टू गिव इट इन योर गूगल क्लासरूम. ये सवाल है ना आपका?
Yes, sir.
ओके, नाउ दिस इज क्लियर. ओके, फाइन, गुड
Okay,
क्वेश्चन.
sir.
ओके, ईसा अबू हुरैरा, यस, क्विकली.
Sir,
Quickly. We don't have that much time.
will we have monthly tests?
No, only term exam will be there. It will be announced and the schedule will be shared with you. Nabiha Asad. Urfa.
Sir, I want to ask that in Google Classroom there is no option to share something with class. So how we will share project? Can you tell your email?
No, not on email. In your Google Classroom. What is your question?
Sir, Sir, there is no option to share something with class. So how I will share the project?
ये देखें, आप अपने सामने देखें, P1 नजर आ रहा है आपको? ये P1 क्लास है, दिस इज P1 क्लासरूम,
Yes.
दिस इज द प्रोजेक्ट, MS प्रोजेक्ट, ये है ना प्रोजेक्ट,
Yes.
ठीक है? सो यहाँ पे व्हेन यू विल गो टू द माइक्रोसॉफ्ट प्रोजेक्ट, यू विल गो टू द व्यू असाइनमेंट, ठीक है? अब ये कैसे होगा, मैं एज ए स्टूडेंट करके दिखाता हूँ आपको। ये जो स्टूडेंट अकाउंट है मेरा, आई विल गो देयर, I have joined P1 as a student over here. Where is the project? Here is the project. Here is my project. ठीक है? I will go there. अब यहाँ पे मैं क्या करूँगा? ये over here I am a student. I will go to the create attach file. Attach file में जाके I will go to the upload option. I will find out the publisher file. कहाँ है publisher file? I will find it out. जहाँ मैंने बनाया है, for example, wherever it is.
Sir, I understand.
Okay?
Yes, sir, I understand. Thank you.
Okay. Yes, Rimsha. Rimsha Zia. Musa Ishtiaq.
That the project of MS Publisher, if we have to create it on 3 pages.
Yes, 3 pages are there, front side and back side. Front side and back side, 3 folds are there na, for a 3-fold brochure. 3 folds are there. I have explained this thing in the last lesson. You can see in the video, okay? I have explained this thing.
Yes, sir. Sir, I wanted to say that you have uploaded this work on P1A right now.
Yes.
Sir, but I can't see.
Refresh your Google Classroom, you will be able to see.
Okay, sir.
Acha, Rimsha,
Yes, sir.
you are allowed to take the classes,
Yes, sir.
but your teacher did not send me any message about it.
Sir, but my class teacher allowed me to join the classes, and I join every class regularly.
No, but from next time, if she has not sent me the message, so you will not be allowed. Okay? Keep in mind. Ask her to communicate to me. Alishba Irfan.
Sir, the present the brochure you said to make, I don't have the PowerPoint, so on which I don't have the publisher, so on which platform can I make it?
Only on publisher. If you don't have, you should install. It is available on the internet. You should install. And I had shown you even the procedure how to download the publisher in the last lessons when we were doing the publisher. Liman Khan.
When will the school reopen?
When it will be, you will be informed. Amanullah. Uriya Mushtaba.
Sir, I want to ask that I have sent you my project. Did you get the project?
If you have sent, definitely I would have received. But still
Because when I sent it, it was not opening.
it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Acha ji, all these students just lower the hands. Let me mark for the attendance. Just lower the hands. all the students. I said lower the hands. From Aris Khan to Ali Raza Shehzad. To Isa Abu Huraira, P1B. Mahad Mohammad Khan, P1C. Sahibzada Muhammad Yahya, P1C. Up to Sania Zahra, P1A. Acha ji. The complete time I think has been gone in the question and answers about the exercise and the homework and the assignment that I am giving you. So definitely we have to read the chapter for today's work as well. And the chapter that we had started, yesterday, it was basically about the internet as a post office. So come to the page number 108. Page number 108. Now, we had discussed about what is meant by website, web page, which is created in the HTML hypertext markup language. Then we discussed that web pages are collected together to make a website. Website is uploaded on a server from where we get it, we access it. Okay, the World Wide Web pages, these web pages are basically create a World Wide Web of the pages, and this is called www. That's why whenever we are accessing those pages, we write www to access those pages. Pehla page, first page which is appearing in front of you when you open a website, that first page is called home page. Not necessary कि home page लिखा हो. The website address is called URL. For example, this is the URL of squ.edu.om. This is the university, Sultan Qaboos University.edu.om. This is basically a URL that we can see on our screen. Okay. Then what is meant by internet address? Internet addresses are basically written in two ways: IP address format or URL, the letter format. Number format, letter format. Number format may be write the IP address. IP address is difficult to remember. IP address is like, for example, you can see over here 192.122.148.73. So IP address is difficult to remember. So that's why we have got the IP addresses in the form of letters, not numbers. This is called domain name service. How we give the IP address is domain name. So technically synonyms with the IP URL. For example, when we are saying hotmail.com, we are not saying 192.12.138.95 in this way. No, we are saying hotmail.com. So hotmail.com, it is easy to remember and easy to write. So this is called basically the domain name service, and this name is called domain name. Okay, ये क्या हो गया? Domain name हो गया. अब domain names जो होते हैं, website addresses, they will have the extensions. Extensions किस तरह की होंगी? For example, .com, .net, .org, .co, .us in this way. They will have the extensions. .com means commercial organizations. .edu means educational organizations. जैसे हमने देखा अभी सुल्तान काबूस यूनिवर्सिटी has got .edu at the end. .mil for military organizations. .net for network organizations. .org for different types of organizations. फिर इसी तरह से in order to identify the countries, country को mention करने के लिए we have got .ca for Canada, .pk for Pakistan, okay, .uk for England, United Kingdom, .us for United States. So in this way, basically, we can identify the extensions, okay, what kind of extensions are there, and those extensions are basically exhibiting the site The type of the site .com means commercial site, and the country of the site, the country to which the site belongs, it is also exhibited by this thing. Okay? So URLs are basically domain names, basically are there. So URLs are basically defined in such way as I have shown you these examples. Fine, are you getting this thing? This thing is now clear? Okay. Yes, Nabiha Asad, what is your question?
Sir, I have two questions. One is that, sir, what is the assignment that we have to upload it on Google Classroom?
What is the assignment?
Yes.
I have already shown this thing in your Google Classroom. When you will open the Google Classroom, you will see the assignment. In today's date,
And
this is assignment number 2, that you have to send me in the form of images. You will submit the images in your Google Classroom. You will write the answer on the paper, and then you will take the pictures. Those pictures will be submitted in the Google Classroom. Okay?
sir, I want to ask one more thing. After the work, can you show me how to transfer picture from a mobile to a computer?
From mobile to computer.
Yes.
You can transfer pictures from mobile to computer using a data cable. Data cable अगर आपके पास है, USB केबल, ये जो चार्जर की केबल होती है ना, इसके थ्रू आप इसको अटैच करके ट्रांसफर कर सकते हो. या second method is that I think Iman has asked or Ayat Zubair has asked about. Okay, you can upload the picture in your Google Drive and then you can download it in your PC by logging the Google Drive. Getting this thing?
Yes.
अच्छा जी. Yes, Rimsha, what is your question?
Sir, can you explain letter addressing again?
Letter address matlab just like this is the address as I have shown you. Okay, this is the address of the university. www.sku.edu.com. This is the address in the letters. But this address,
And sir, what is the meaning of DNC?
on which page it is given?
Page number 108.
.com is there, .edu is there. Acha, DNS है, DNS. Domain
Yes.
service. That the method, the technology, that method using which numbers are converted into letters. ठीक है? एक तरीकेकार के मुताबिक इसको हम numbers को we convert the numbers into letters, and then it becomes easier for us to understand, to remember the address of a website.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Acha ji. So I think
Sir,
questions are clear now. Yes, Iba, if you've got any questions.
sir, I want to say that Nabiha can also transfer by using email.
Yeah, this is another option. I
By
have given one other option. Listen, all of you. You can also email from your cell phone. ठीक है? Cell phone attachment.
because my father.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. Cell phone से attachment भेज दो आप email पे, और वो email open कर लो. Open that email in your PC, laptop, and download it. Easy है ये. This is now clear. This is the easiest method. ठीक है? Send the email using your cell phone and then open the email on the laptop and download it and then submit that image in your Google Classroom. It is quite easy way. Good. Okay. Acha ji, so now I think up to here all the things are clear to all of you. Listen, all the students, those students who have got any issues regarding their dues. So if there is any student in any class, any of the class, so when their teachers will send me the name that this student is now clear, so he's allowed to take the class, then you will be allowed to take the class. Otherwise, definitely I will send that particular student in the waiting room. Okay, that particular student will be sent to the waiting room. And will not be allowed to take the class. Yes, Surfa, what is your question? Quickly.
Sir, what's URL?
URL यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर, ये इससे पहले हमने कल बात की थी, ये रहा पेज नंबर 108. यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर बोले या डीएनएस डोमेन नेम बोले, डोमेन नेम एंड यूनिफॉर्म रिसोर्स लोकेटर आर सेम थिंग. This is URL. This is URL. Can you see this? I have selected. This is URL on your screen. www.sku.edu.com. We also call it domain name. Okay.
Okay,
Now
sir.
this thing is clear now.
Yes.
Okay. So thank you so
Sir,
much,
why did you unmute
all of
me?
you. I hope all these things are clear to all of you. Thank you so much, and I will give this assignment in all the Google Classrooms for P1A, P1B, and P1C. Take care of the due date. Thank you so much.